Hello everyone, I am here with new topic. Our topic is pericyclic reaction. Before pericyclic reaction, first we discuss about who give pericyclic reaction and how their correlation diagram. So first we discuss about uh, who give Woodward, who give pericyclic reaction. So, pericyclic reaction is given by Woodward Hoffman by uh, her by his correlation diagram. Woodward Hoffman rule can be applied to understand electrocyclic reaction, cycloaddition reaction, including sigmatropic reaction or heliotropic reaction, and also group transfer reaction. Reaction is classified allowed if electronic barrier is low and forbidden if electronic barrier is high. So Woodward Hoffman give pericyclic reaction with his correlation diagram of electrocyclic reaction, cycloaddition reaction, sigmatropic reaction, heliotropic reaction, or group transfer reaction. These all reactions are pericyclic reaction. Uh, he discuss or give some rules of these reactions. It work in two applications. First one is heat or thermal, second one is photochemical or light. So correlation diagram we can use to predict that height of transition state barrier. By using correlation diagram we derive selection rule for following generalized classes for pericyclic reaction. So these electrocyclic, sigmatropic, heliotropic, group transfer, all these are classes of pericyclic reaction. Next we see what is pericyclic reaction. So pericyclic reaction is concerted reaction in which bond breaking and bond formation are simultaneously taking place. So first point is there is shifting of electron. Second one is intermediate are not formed. Third one is transition state form. Fourth one is reagents are not required. Sixth one is circulation of electron is there. Next one is reaction is proceed in the presence of thermal or HMU photochemical. Type of pericyclic reaction or classes of pericyclic reaction. First is electrocyclic reaction, second one is cycloaddition reaction, third one is sigmatropic rearrangement reaction, and fourth one is group or atom transfer reaction. Before discussion of classes of pericyclic reaction, first we see frontier or vital or FMO theory. Okay, so first point of this theory is cycloaddition reaction. In this FMO theory for anti-aromatic system means 4 pi electron system. For example, dimerization of ethylene. Second, FMO theory of aromatic system. In this 4 pi plus 2 pi electron system. Example, Dye-Eales-Elder reaction. Second point of this theory is FMO theory for electrocyclic reaction. FMO of anti-aromatic 4 and pi electron system. Example, 1,3-butadiene system. For aromatic 4 and plus 2 pi electron 1,3,5-hexatriene. And third point is FMO theory for sigmatropic system. First, FMO theory for anti-aromatic system. Example, 1,3 hydrogen alkyl sept. And second point is FMO theory for for aromatic system. Example, 1,5 hydrogen alkyl sept. Next point is FMO for cycloaddition reaction. In this dimerization of ethylene is taken place. So there is a whole diagram of cycloaddition. So this is also ethylene and this is also ethylene. In the presence of thermal or in the presence of photochemical, they give the reaction. Next we see correlation diagram of classes of pericyclic reaction. Here we see electrocyclic correlation diagram. So this is the diagram of correlation diagram of electrocyclic reaction, and there is some conditions when the system is anti-aromatic, that time if thermal present, so this so conrotatory, if photochemical present, this so dish rotatory, and when the system is aromatic or 4n plus 2 electron is present there, so that time if thermal is present, the system taken dish rotatory, and when photochemical present, system take conrotatory. And there is whole correlation diagram of electrocyclic reaction. Next we see correlation diagram of cycloaddition reaction. So there is closing of cycloaddition reaction is two type of reaction. First one is opening ring and second one is closing ring. Okay, sorry. So closing of ring is taken place 4 plus 2, there is 4 plus 2 addition reaction is taken place, and we get our product, and this is whole correlation diagram of cycloaddition reaction. Next we discuss about FMO approach. Woodward, Hoffman and Fouquet discussed course of pericyclic reaction by consider occupied molecular orbital or HOMO and unoccupied molecular orbital LUMO, and then as frontier molecular orbital. Hence of analysis is known as frontier molecular orbital. This theory explains whether a pericyclic condition which is based on interaction between the FMO of one molecule with one FMO of molecule result in the formation of molecular orbital, one bonding of lower and then other antibonding of higher electron of resulting molecular orbital filled with electrons. The bonding interaction is in condition.